The raw food diet, the 3-day diet, the macrobiotic diet. You've tried them all, but none works the way you hoped. Lately, you've heard a lot about the ketogenic diet.
They tell me it's good.
What makes the keto diet any different from the others? And what can it do for you? This is your body on the keto diet for 1 year.
Want a bite?
I'm on a diet, but thank you.
Okay, you've decided to give keto a try, but when you do something, you go all out. So you're not going to do keto for a few weeks or even a few months, no.
And for how long?
You're going to do it for a year. After all, you want results.
Yes, I do.
So, once you commit, what do you need to do? And does it even work?
I don't know. I mean, I hope so.
There are different types of ketogenic diets, but for the purpose of this exercise, you're going to do the standard one. It's a very low carbohydrate diet with about 10% carb content, 20% protein, and a very high 70% fat content.
What?
Yeah, sometimes to lose fat, you have to eat it first. Fat.
It's keto time.
The first thing you need to do is figure out what you can eat. Keto-friendly foods include seafood, poultry, meat, cheese, eggs, and non-starchy vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, and lettuce. The key is to eat less than 50 grams of carbohydrates per day. When you eat fewer carbs, insulin levels go down and fatty acids are released from the body's fat stores in large amounts. These go into the liver to be oxidized and turn into ketones. This is known as ketosis. It forces your body to get most of its energy from fat rather than carbs.
I'm on this no-carb diet, so that's all you.
Over the last few weeks, you've suffered from headaches, fatigue, constipation, high cholesterol, and bad breath. The good news is, now that you're getting used to the diet, the bad side effects seem to be going away. But be sure to drink a lot of water to keep hydrated. After 8 weeks, you've lost nearly 5 times as much total body fat as you would following a low-fat diet. You also have improved insulin sensitivity, which is a bonus if you have diabetes.
Sounds good.
Lower blood sugar levels and weight loss are only 2 of the positive benefits you've experienced so far. Studies show the diet may have benefits for a variety of health conditions. It may help slow the growth of cancerous tumors and reduce the symptoms and progression of Alzheimer's disease. But you're not thinking about that right now. No, you're in too much pain from the kidney stones.
My kidney!
All right, you've made it to the end of the year and you've lost significant weight.
I'm thin! I'm thin!
But the only thing you can think about right now is eating something sweet. Very sweet. Like loaded with sugar sweet. But go ahead. Sticking to this diet for this long is an achievement in itself. Unfortunately, it may be easier to gain back the weight you lost than it was to lose it. While the keto diet may have many success stories, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a healthy choice for you. The US News and World Report ranked the keto diet as one of the worst of 35 diets it studied. High fat consumption makes it dangerous, especially for those with kidney or heart disease. The diet also cuts out many healthy foods that are part of a balanced diet, like whole grains, legumes, fruit, and certain vegetables. And there's very little scientific evidence that the ketogenic diet is effective or safe over the long term. So, was it worth it? Well, we'll let you decide. Okay, now that you've done a year on the keto diet, it's time to treat yourself. McDonald's sure sounds good right now, doesn't it? What about a year eating only McDonald's? Well, we'll find out what that would do to you on another episode of Your Body On.